Welcome. This quick and easy tutorial will be showing you how to rename a wallet here in Spendee. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up the app. And once done, go ahead over to wallets right here. Tap on it once more. And you should be able to see all of your wallets, okay? After that, what you're going to do is just tap on a specific wallet. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, go to the top right and tap on the three dots. And in here, you can go ahead and tap on the name. Press the delete button right here and name it whatever you want, okay? For example, access money. All right, just for example. And once that's done, just tap on the done button right here and hit on save changes. And after that, you should be good to go, okay? Tap on wallets once more and here you have it. Another way to change it is by going to more right here, tap on manual wallets, tap on the wallet once more and change it right here. Okay, for example, main wallet. Okay, hit on save changes. Once done, you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.